China is the world's EV giant. More electric cars are sold there than anywhere else. The government made EVs a national priority, pouring resources into the industry. Generous subsidies and the world's largest charging network made EVs accessible to millions. New Chinese brands like BYD and NIO are now global players. In crowded cities, getting a license plate for a gas car is tough and expensive, but easy for EVs. This policy shift made electric the practical choice for city dwellers. China is now the global hub for battery production and EV manufacturing. Fierce competition is driving innovation and lowering prices. Even as subsidies phase out, government support continues in other ways. For China, EVs are about environmental progress and economic leadership. The scale of China's electric push is reshaping the global auto industry. The US EV market is heating up. Electric vehicles are no longer a futuristic dream, but a reality rolling onto streets across the country. Tesla started the wave, but now Detroit's big three are all in. General Motors, Ford, and Stellantis are investing billions to electrify their lineups, signaling a new era for American automakers. Iconic vehicles like the Ford F-150 now have electric versions, bringing EVs to the heart of American driving. These familiar models are helping to win over drivers who love power and reliability. These trucks offer unique features, like massive front trunks, onboard generators, and advanced tech that sets them apart from traditional pickups. Imagine powering your house during a blackout, or running tools at a remote job site, all from your truck's battery. Federal tax credits and state incentives make EVs more affordable for families. These savings can add up, making the switch to electric more accessible than ever before. To qualify, vehicles must be built in North America, boosting local jobs and manufacturing. This shift is revitalizing communities and supporting American workers. Charging infrastructure is expanding rapidly, with a national network of fast chargers underway. Soon, finding a place to charge will be as easy as finding a gas station. The goal: a station every 50 miles on major highways, making long trips easy and reducing range anxiety for drivers everywhere. More models, more incentives, and more chargers mean EV adoption is set to accelerate. Drivers now have more choices than ever before. The American road trip is about to get a lot quieter and cleaner. Electric vehicles promise less noise, zero tailpipe emissions, and a smoother ride. The US is on the verge of a major electric shift. From bustling cities to small towns, EVs are becoming part of daily life. The revolution is no longer just about Tesla, it's nationwide. Every region, every community is joining the movement. The future of American driving is electric, and it's arriving faster than anyone imagined.